we are always being defined and restricted. Disturbed, flustered, and loaded. We are forced to keep thinking. How, in such chaos, can we break the shackles with a loss and master the secrets of all? Use the eternally law of the universe to connect each scattered detail into a whole. Break through all boundaries to have unlimited choices. Planets move around stars, forming balanced systems. This makes us see the possibility of the simplification, the combination of multiple indoor units with the same outdoor unit presents the world with a new possibility. The match of the same indoor unit with different outdoor units reflects the extending of the universe from 1 to infinity. This is the power of supermatch. The different combinations of 24 outdoor units with 74 indoor units generate over 2,000 solutions. Wherever you are, whatever lifestyle you expect, whatever customization you want, it can provide you with the best match. Unbounded imagination, infinite possibilities.